I'm doing a video, guys. Very nice, Melvin. So that's Joffre Lake, the third lake. There are three altogether. And the rivers begin from a glacier, right up there. They flow down into the third lake, which then trickles down into the second lake and into the first. So the third one's the highest, and we're here. The camping grounds are in the distance there. That's our campsite, right there in the middle. Behind us, well, nothing but rock and glaciers, naturally. What are we doing out here? Well, myself and these two gentlemen are the groomsmen for the groom-to-be, who's slowly making his way up. It's gonna be a while till he gets here.